Okay, let's go over the mixture of Godzilla versus King Kong, but they're merged with Chainsaw Men. So let's get started, okay? Jump right into it right here. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go around the edge, line down, pull back right here for kind of the flat part of the top of Godzilla's head, because Godzilla has a very flat head. Up over here, kind of the brow. Line over here. Gonna pull back for the open mouth here. Pull out. Very simple, right? I'm thinking of it almost like a Lego or something. Then I'm pulling down. And pulling back here. Kind of curve over the back of the jaw. Down here for under the neck. And it's kind of, it basically gets bigger as it goes downward. Line right here. Line over here. Like so. The eye. Sorry, line right here for kind of that like when lizards open their mouth, they tend to have some skin right there. Line right here for the front of the nostril. And now we're going to draw the teeth. Just very simplistic kind of teeth right there. Gonna go over here behind the ear. Line up over here for the cheek. Alrighty. Line here, kind of underneath the eye. And we're going to draw a spike in the back. A couple of spikes more. And it's going to keep going a little bit more there, right? But it's going to go off the page, right? Curve, curve, curve for lines into the neck. Line over here. Line, line, line. Going to go over here. Now we're going to draw the chainsaw itself. So it's going to come out. They're going to be clashing chainsaws. Curve back in. That's going to be the chainsaw shape. We're going to leave that like that for now. Now we're going to go over to King Kong. And they're going to be crossing chainsaws. That's kind of like at least the vision I have in my mind. So, let's go over here. Dang. Okay, yeah, is it close? Yeah, that'll work. Curve over here for kind of the brow of King Kong. He's got this huge brow, right? That's what gorillas seem to have. Pulling out over here for the nose. Down over here. Out over here for the mouth. Outward, down over here, open mouth there. Curve underneath. Gonna go here on this side, line, curve, and then line in over here for kind of the eye right there as well. Kind of angry eye. Nostril, curve over here, line over here, back, pulling up, kind of the head over here, and it's a little fuzzy right here on the edge, right? Furry on the edge of the mouth. Down over here, I'm gonna throw the big old canine right there. He's got these big old canines, and then kind of normal teeth around there. Line in the back of the mouth open. Teeth on the bottom there, but I'm gonna fill in this area. Okay. Line over here for the eye. So a little bit bigger, rounder nose there, just to kind of give kind of that area some kind of place to breathe, essentially, like that. I really want that area to breathe a lot. Line over here. He's gonna have more of a nostril. There we go. Line right here underneath to kind of show the heaviness of that brow. And there's going to be a separation of fur over here, the cheekbone. Down over here. Furry over here, and he's got like a jaw over here. And I kind of want to make this fuzzy. I kind of fuzz my line on purpose because he's like a furry dude. Ear, curve, curve. So the ear is pretty normal. And now we're going to draw the chainsaw coming over here. So you're going to try to make sure it makes sense by going over here. Curve. And kind of line over here. There we go. So we have this crossing of the chainsaws. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another line in the middle, like, you know, like that, to kind of show that there's a chain. Line, 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 separating the actual chain. And it can be really quick, by the way. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. If you like these merged drawing things, absolutely do that. And we're going to throw so many more on this channel. Every Friday are these, by the way, these Mixture Fridays. So the rest of the time, it's going to be a just traditional drawing lesson. So we have that. Now we're going to draw spikes. You know, be careful there because they kind of run into each other. Spikes right here. Very simple triangles. And then angled. See, so between these spikes, we're going to throw little spikes that are angled. Right there. Same thing over here on this side now. It's kind of hard because they're crossing, right? So it's going to be really difficult to kind of control this, but we will try it. I don't know if you've watched Chainsaw Man before. It's an amazing show. And then this little one. It's an amazing, amazing show in manga. I never read the manga, but I saw the show. And obviously one of my favorite properties ever is Godzilla in the kaiju movies. So that's kind of what's going on there. So they're gonna clash. Well, right here we can put like little scratches on them, right? Like they've been used. Little raspberry jam on these, and you can do like them moving here or them clashing. You know, like, oh no, they're clashing. And there you go. That is Godzilla versus King Kong mixed with Chainsaw Man. So that's kind of how they'd fight. I guess I know what everybody's thinking. I'm thinking like of Knife Face from Pacific Rim. He's a kaiju, right? That's another one. Knife Face is pretty cool. I'm thinking of stuff like that. I want to thank you very much. I put a little bit of darkness there under their neck just to kind of make it out. And you can also kind of do it in their eyes too, to kind of make their eyes a little more, stand out a little bit more. To create more focus. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next drawing lesson. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you in the next Mixer Drawing every Friday. Hit the subscribe. Share this video. If you thought this was a cool video, share it, okay? And I will truly appreciate it. I'll see you very soon, and definitely reach out to me, okay? Whenever you want. Drawing lessons of any kind, just reach out. Thank you so much, and I will see you later, okay? See you very soon. Bye-bye.